bonjour. We are looking at how to pronounce this expression in French and how it is used. This is going to be your French lesson. Très bien, merci. So what is the context of this phrase? It means fine, thank you. So you have somebody asking you, how are you doing? They would say this either of two different ways. Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Meaning, how are you? Or simply said, the short version would be ça va? Ça va? Meaning, how are you? Ça va? And you'd say très bien, merci. Très bien, meaning very good. Merci is obviously thank you. So somebody asks ça va? You'd say très bien, merci. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more French vocabulary. Stay tuned.